This is Peter. His favorite hobby is running, and he's currently preparing for a marathon. But something makes this process tough for him: muscle cramps. Our muscles, like Peter's, tighten and relax from time to time. The muscle cramp is an unconscious, unwanted muscle tightening, which is not followed by muscle relaxation. This, indeed, is a significant issue for a runner, but could happen to anyone. Magnesium is essential for muscle relaxation. Without magnesium, our muscles would be tightened all the time. The process can be understood easily. Magnesium relaxes the cells, while the calcium penetrates into the cell, activates it, and causes the muscles to strain. If the calcium gets out, the muscle relaxes again. In case of magnesium deficiency, the cell is unable to push the calcium out as it stays active and strained, which causes the muscle cramps. Muscle cramps may occur in any condition that overcomes the calcium-magnesium ratio in our body, such as various medicines such as diuretics, chemotherapeutic therapies, acid production inhibitors, estrogen replacement, and asthma medicines, severe psychological or physical stress, inadequate calcium and magnesium diet, extreme and severe dieting, longer fasting, too little fluid consumption, metabolic disorders, diabetes, various vascular diseases, an inadequate gastrointestinal tract, especially in old age, inadequate mineral absorption, pregnancy. But there is a solution. Our skin is capable of delivering valuable minerals to our body. With the help of OC Magnesium, cramps can be relieved topically, almost instantly. The cramping can be eliminated as it is absorbed into the muscles where the cramping is formed. And its use is simple. Spray OC Magnesium oil on the strained body part, then massage it. Or you can have a bath with OC Magnesium bath flakes. But it is important to keep in mind that our body needs magnesium every day, not just when your body parts cramp. OC Magnesium. I couldn't have done it without you.